Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you some additional ways to download the source code to your controller. In the previous video we saw the first method, which is going to the file menu and selecting download source code. There are also other options available, so under the project menu go to project settings, then go to source download. Here you can configure when the source code download should be performed. The first option is implicitly a program download and online change. Second option is implicitly a creating boot project. Third option, implicitly a creating boot project download and online change. And the fourth option is prompt at program download and online change. This is the default setting. With this option enabled, MasterTools displays the dialog box asking whether you want to download the source code whenever you perform a program download or an online change. The last option is on demand only. This means that the source code will only be downloaded when you explicitly request it through the file menu, which was the first method we covered. You can choose whichever option best fits your workflow and how you prefer to manage source code backups on the CPU. After selecting the desired option, click OK to save the configuration. For example, I selected on demand only, so the source code will no longer be downloaded automatically. From that point on, whenever I want to transfer the source code to the controller, I must go to File and select Source Download, choose the target CPU and perform download manually. And that's how you can configure the different source code downloads methods available in the MasterTool. That is for this video, and I see you on the next one.